Hello, friends. On this occasion, I will give you economical tips. You don't need to spend a lot of money to buy at the store. Watch this video until the end so you won't be curious about the results. The first thing you need is a napkin or dry tissue. Another thing you need is toothpaste, whatever brand you like. Let's continue making the recipe. Apply toothpaste like this. Apply gently using your finger. The next thing you need is coffee, but you are also free to use any coffee. To save money, you can use used coffee or coffee grounds. Then sprinkle it on the toothpaste. Okay, we have mixed these two ingredients in tissue. The next ingredient that will be used is cloves, the cloves that you use in your kitchen. Sprinkle just a few grains. The cloves will automatically start to emit their distinctive smell. The smell is delicious. The cloves really smell good. We have mixed the three ingredients. The next step is to fold the tissue. After folding it like this, prepare a container. And now we're going to turn on. Let's turn it on. With this, you will repel flies, mosquitoes, and all kinds of insects in your house because of the smell emitted by coffee along with cloves. This will eliminate all types of insects that bother you at home. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Hope it is useful. Do you have problems with pants like this? Your trouser strap has come loose and can't be put back in. You don't need to worry, we will share simple tips to fix it. Watch this video until the end so you can try it yourself at home. Your trouser strap will be easy to reinsert with just a pen.